How to upgrade characters faster in Doomsday Last Survivor. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. To upgrade characters in Doomsday Last Survivor, first of all go ahead and launch open the Doomsday Last Survivors game on your device, and once you're inside the main lobby screen or the game section, tap on the hero option at the bottom right corner. Now, inside the hero tab, choose the character you want to level up or upgrade and go to the bottom right corner and tap on skill. I'm just going to select this character over here. Once you do that, click on skill on the bottom right, and if you've got this level up button enabled, just tap on it. Now your character's skill will upgrade successfully and you can level them up just like that. Just select the hero and click the level up button to level up the character. But you must have this level up button enabled for the upgrade to work. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to increase the level of the character so their skill will be upgraded. So that's how it can be done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.